guys, Jeremy at Speedworks here. Today we're talking about another new and exciting product from the team here at Speedworks. We're going to be talking about these control arm bushings on the front suspension on the 2015 to 2023 Polaris 600R race sled. If you guys got one of these sleds and you're wondering, well, what the hell is he talking about? My bushings are fine. Lift your front suspension up and grab your ski tip or grab your spindle and wiggle it, and you'll see there's tons of slop and tons of play in there, which leads to a ton of misalignment and harsh angles on these ball joints, which, as some people know, that they break and they have issues with. And if you follow all that slop and wear and stuff back, most of the time it's in these stock bushings. The A-arm will slop left to right or front to back, and you can see in here with this bushing going into the plastic bushing, you can see how it's real sloppy here. We know from tolerance and stuff it's tough to see it here, but you can see and you can feel the wiggle. And if it's bolted on the sled and you're wiggling up on the arm, you'll see where all that slop is. So there's 16 of them per sled. And we've made them out of a harder, stronger material so they won't wear out or oblong like what the stock ones do. We've tightened up the tolerance so it's a tighter fit as you press it into the arm. It's a tighter fit inside the bushing itself, which this isn't even pressed in an arm, but when you do, it'll tighten it up a few more thou on the bushing itself, so it's a lot tighter there. And then they have a taller lip on them as well, which takes up the slop from the A-arm sliding back and forth too. In the past, guys would use shims, things like that. This makes it so you pretty much don't ever have to shim anything as long as everything's within tolerance and within spec. So 100% made in the USA. We machine them right here at Speedworks. We source the material in the United States. Everything, super proud to be doing that. They're $12.95 a piece, so they're actually even cheaper than what the stock ones are if you're having to buy them outright. And yeah, just another great product from the team here at Speedworks, 100% made in the USA. If you guys got any questions, let us know.